Alright, this is the neck board of my Tandy CM-11 monitor. It's a CGA monitor. And what happens is the CGA cable comes in to the neck board directly through this little connector. And so you have R, G, and B pins, and intensity, sync, and so on. So what's going on? Or the symptom I'm seeing is that red and green colors don't show up right. It's all very weird. It's like you don't get a picture unless you're in certain video modes, and then only the blue comes in and the red kind of starts to come in and then washes out after a few seconds. So what I discovered was that red and oops, the red and green pins are bridged together somehow. There's continuity between them. So pin 1 is red, pin 2 is green. Oops. So there's pin 1 and pin 2. The same thing, pin 1, pin 2. I have the meter connected to the hot connected to pin 1 there, and it's connected there. It's also connected over here on these two pins. This one, come on, that one, and that one. But it's not, there's no continuity between there and anywhere else on this circuit board, including any connectors to the main circuit board down here. So I'm not sure how it can be anything else besides this this long component here, and it's divided into two parts. It's I think it's 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's separated into two segments of 13 and 7, and this is what it looks like. It's this long green thing. You can see it kind of bulges out on the side there. And there's the pins coming in. You can see the pin 1 over here. He might be too small to see, but anyway, I'm trying to figure out if the short can be anywhere besides this green thing. I don't really think it can be, and that would really suck because I don't really know what this is or where to get a new one. And that's a lot of pins. Alright, so that's where I'm at.